So welcome again after long time. So today we are going to analyze the game between Aayanokoji from the anime Classroom of the Elite, and this chess game is played between Aayanokoji versus Sakayanagi. So a simple two move checkmate is something Sakayanagi, I mean the black player, assumed Aayanokoji overlooked, suggesting her chess rating likely falls within the 1200 to 1400 range. But in reality, Aayanokoji has a rating of 2000. So 2000 is not a beginner, so it is around experienced player maybe. And so this game is played between them, and I think the opening was quite good because you can see this bishop is fianchetto, that's what we call, and this knight is perfectly placed so that it can secure the position, and also king safety is what we should prioritize. And the only two thing that is not developed is these two rooks, you can see. And so as you can see, black has also fianchetto the bishop, and so bishop and queen is has a pressure on the knight on f3. So it can play like, just to illustrate, it can take here, and it can take back again, because you can see that it will open up the king. So Ayanokoji should be careful. So let's see what happened in this game. So not with the bishop, but he took with the queen. Sakayanagi took with the queen, not the bishop. So let's see. Take, and if you take here, take, this taking will be blunder, because as you can see, he can play this check, only move king h1, and this bishop takes f3 will be a checkmate. So taking the queen would be a bad option. So what is the only move you guys think that Ayanokoji should play to hold this game against Sakayanagi? The only winning move is queen to g5, and it's so hard to find, especially in the low time, and also the time pressure. And if the time increment is not given, this finding this move is impossible for beginners like me and you. So, but Ayanokoji also a genius played. This is also, this is to illustrate you guys, so you guys can understood. But Ayanokoji, what do you think Ayanokoji has played in this position? Ayanokoji actually played queen to g5 in this position. So it is only move, because if we take, then we can take, and if we take, then it is also covered, but he can play, he can give this check, because again this is blocked by this g5 pawn, you can see. So it is like a umbrella pawn, that's what we call in English, but I don't know what is called, what this pawn is called in Nepali or Hindi, I don't know. So queen to g5 was only move. So Ayanokoji played pawn takes queen, and g takes f3, and bishop takes, and then rook g6, king, bishop takes f3, and this is all. And that's what happened in this game, I think. King h1 getting checkmate without losing the queen, queen g5 losing the queen and still getting checkmated, king h1, bishop h3. So he played this move, takes, takes, and takes. So that's what happened in that game. But as you can see, this position also looks like it is draw, because white has 3 4 5 pawns, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Black is up a pawn, but white is up a rook. You can see black has only one rook, but white has two rooks and a bishop. So it is almost a winning position for white if he plays perfectly. But if he does mistake by playing the move like h4, then he will be crushed badly, because takes, takes, and the move like at g5 will be a big threat. Like this, I will show you guys. And if you play it like this, very hard to play. This position is kinda like draw, but actually it is not. So I hope you have understood the game between Aayanokoji and Sakayanagi. I and comment me if you have doubts related to this game. I think I have explained it quite very understandable way, so that you can understood why bishop takes g3 is a blunder, because he can play she can play rook g6 check, king h1, and bishop f3 check, bishop f3 checkmate. So that Aayanokoji played queen g5, take, and that's what happened in this game. I don't know h5 was played or not, but this in this position the game was ended in that anime. So I hope you guys understood, and thanks for watching.